Saving with Shay. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow, pow, pow. If you take a second and subscribe, also make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. So as far as my weekend, y'all, look, I need 15 for $1. Yeah, ain't gonna happen. Okay, let me know what y'all got in the comments. For me, it is not going to happen. Okay, so for today, my goal is to try to do whatever's gonna be free, basically. Whatever's gonna be free, moneymaker, we're gonna shoot for it. I was waiting for my gift cards for Fetch to come through because I can't keep spending my PayPal cash. I can't do it. I just cannot. And so I didn't go to Walmart the last 2 days for that very reason. And so yeah, I was waiting for my gift cards to come through for Fetch. So I'm still waiting for 2 more tomorrow. And so yes, with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got today, definitely keep on watching, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe, and of course don't forget to hype your girl up.
All right, I know we tired of these candy bars, these harkin nutty gooey candy bars. But it's an easy little offer for Ibotta. They're priced at $2.97. We have an offer on Ibotta, makes it free with a limit of 3. I don't have it for Walmart Rewards anymore, which is obviously I would have done it there first. And so I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3, making them all free. Right, so this next deal is on the Lovebird cereal. Like, I know it's not located here, but there's like people down there. I don't want to sit there like a little lurker and wait for them to leave to record it. But our area doesn't actually carry the cereal. It looks like it's a buy one get one free offer for Ibotta. At a price point of $7.37. So for 2 of them, you would pay $14.74. You get back the price of 1 of them on Ibotta. And then we also have a buy one get one free offer for Isle as well, making them both free. This next offer is on the Gerber Got 'em Squeezies. I know they're probably not over here. They're probably either in the refrigerator section or by the yogurt. We don't carry them in our area, so I'll have to pop up a picture of it. They're priced at $5.48 for a 4-pack. You want to grab 2. You'll pay $10.96, getting back $5.48 on Fetch, and $1 for each on Ibotta brings them down to $1.74 each. All right, so next up is the Temptations. We have a few offers over here. Starting with the Temptations puree. They are priced at $2.38. For this, we have an offer on Fetch Rewards. So you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $4.76. You'll get back 5 for buying 2, making it a 24-cent moneymaker. And I went ahead and grabbed 6 of those on both accounts. Receipt went through perfectly fine. The other thing is on the Temptation Crunchies. It looks like they're priced at $2.58 here. So you want to grab 2. You'll pay $5.16, and you'll get back $4.10 for buying 2 on Fetch. It makes 53 cents. Now, I did do this deal at Dollar General. They were $1 on the... Were they on the dollar aisle? I don't think they were on the dollar aisle. There is some there. I didn't try those. I don't even know if they're the same ounces as the other ones. But you want to grab 2 of those. You'll pay 2. And get back $4.10, making it $2.10 moneymaker. And for that, I went ahead and grabbed a set of 6 on both accounts as well. And again, those receipts went through fine. So this deal here is on the Temptations. It's on the wet food, the little singles. It doesn't look like we carry the singles at Walmart in my area anymore. It looks like they are priced at 74 cents. So for this, you want to grab 7. You would pay $5.18, getting back $2 for spending 5 on Fetch. Would make them 45 cents each. Now, I know that Vons does carry them for $1. So I guess if you went there and got 5, you would get 2. Making it $3 for 5 of them, or 60 cents each. And of course, this is the location that doesn't carry the Suavitel refresher. For this, you're grabbing 2 of them, priced at $4.68. You would pay $9.36, getting back 5 on the sister apps, $1.50 on Ibotta, 2 on Fetch, and $1.10 on Checkout 51, making them a 24-cent moneymaker. All right, so I have a deal that I'm going to try today on the Finish. We got this offer that popped back up on Ibotta. I still have IPs from the last time I ordered them. It is a Knox IP, so I'm hoping that it still works. They're priced at $4.94 for the 11 count. I'm gonna use this $3 printable right here. which would bring the total down to $194, getting back to on Ibotta. I'm going to make that a 6-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3, so I'll let you guys know if it works out. Really quick, just a heads up, this offer on the True Skin is still valid. I think what I did is I clicked on Swagbucks and I clicked on the last offer. It was actually for Walgreens, and that's why I assumed it was done, but it is still working. The offer does still say buy one, get 5, or buy one, get back 12. And I do have that on like 4 of my apps, 4 or 5 of the apps. And so if you grab the cheaper one right here, it's priced at $14.68. You would grab 2 of them and pay $29.36. You would get back 24 on one of the sister apps, and then you would get back $4 for each on either Ibotta or Walmart Rewards, and then $3 on Checkout 51. It'll make it a $5.64 moneymaker. A bigger moneymaker if you can use one of the printables from coupons.com. They haven't been scanning for me, and so that's also a possible option if your store will push it through, or if it scans for you. All right, y'all, so we got some double offers on Ibotta for the Colgate. Daisy on Instagram posted it, and so I posted it on my community tab yesterday. I've already done the deal, so it wouldn't be a double for me. But if you do have both offers, then it would definitely be an awesome deal for you. So the first is on the Colgate Total Gum Protect price at $5.36. We have an offer for $5, and we have one for $3. Making it a $2.64 moneymaker. And then for the Plaque Cleanse is $6.26. And for that one, we have a $5 offer on Ibotta, and we also have the same $3 offer as well, making that a $1.74 moneymaker. Of course, we have the Max Fresh down here, priced at $5.22. The offer for this, there is 2 different offers on Ibotta for $4 each, and then there's a $2 offer that works on both with a limit of, I think, 3. So basically it makes them both a 70-cent moneymaker. Just not a bad deal. So hopefully you have double offers. The only offer that I still have on Ibotta right now on the razors is on the Hydro Silk. It's priced at $6.78, and this is the $4 Nux, no longer available printable, that I have been using. That's going to bring that total down, so you're paying $2.78 out of pocket. You'll get back to on Ibotta, making it 78 cents with a limit of 3.
All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for today. Look, this is such a small haul. It just wasn't worth me trying to set it all up here at home. And so this is how we did it for this weekend. And so everything here worked out good, though. Like the coupons for the finish, it is still scanning, which is awesome. I did go to self-checkout. I didn't have any issues with the coupon. And I used 3 of them. And then as far as the Temptations on Fetch Reward, all of my receipts processed, which was cool. I didn't have any issues with that. And so, yeah, that worked out good. Now, I did want to remind you guys of the Bank of America grocery offers. That is a limit of 5, 1 per receipt, and it pays you out to your PayPal. So when you sign up, and you don't have to have a Bank of America account, but when you sign up for this, just make sure that you use an email address that's also linked to your PayPal. So I just created a new account today, and it's crazy because I can't find my Dollar General receipts. So hopefully once I find those, then I can submit them to this my newer account, which will be cool. Will give me back $2 extra. And so just a reminder of that. I'll have a link for you, and I'll actually pin a comment with the link there for you to sign up. And so other than that, everything that you see here retails $66.69. We had $9 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $57.69. My sales tax was $6.70. And then we walk away with $54.60 from Fetch Reward, $14.91 from Ibotta, and then hopefully $5 from Bank of America, which would bring my total to $74.51, making everything you see here free plus a $16.82 moneymaker, which is not bad because this is a super tiny haul. My sister is gonna love all of these cat snacks, which is really cool. And I was a little tempted to do the temptation wet food, because I know that, like, I know she's gonna appreciate it. So I may eventually do that. And so with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope that you guys enjoy your Memorial Day weekend holiday. If you made it to the end, I want to see a cat and a chicken emoji. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.